Digital marketing strategy for restaurants. 1. Website optimization. Ensure a mobile-friendly website with menu, location, and online reservation options. 2. Local SEO. Optimize website content with location-based keywords for better visibility on search engines. 3. Social media presence. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share appetizing visuals, engage with customers, and promote specials. 4. Paid advertising. Invest in targeted Facebook and Instagram ads to reach local audiences with promotions and events. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters with exclusive offers, new menu items, and event invitations. 6. Online reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor to enhance reputation. 7. Food delivery partnerships. Partner with food delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash to expand reach and accessibility. 8. Local partnerships. Collaborate with nearby businesses, influencers, or community events for cross-promotion. 9. Customer loyalty program. Implement a digital loyalty program through an app or QR codes to incentivize repeat visits. 10. Analytics optimization. Regularly monitor performance metrics using tools like Google Analytics to refine strategies and improve ROI.